Hey guys, so we're going to just do an overview of the TKX Ford 5-speed transmissions. So we deal with a lot of the Coyotes, the Godzillas, and the small block Fords. And just going to talk a little bit about a couple of the differences on some of the part numbers. So for this one, if we can see it, it's a part number 18085. And this particular one has a 3.27 to 1 first gear. Going down the line, 1.98, 1.34 for the third, 1.0, and a 0.72 ratio. So where I think this transmission could work, and there's no right or wrong answer here, but for numerically lower gears, for let's just say 325 and lower, 3.08, it'll help get the vehicle into the first gear and the power range a little bit faster. So there also is a part number 17765, same thing for a Ford, and the difference is it has a 2.87 first gear. In this case, guys that are running maybe a 3.73 numerically and higher, 4.0, that might work better for you for that first gear. And then it goes into 1.89, 1.28, 1.0, and 0.68 ratio. So we've already touched upon some of the nice things about the TKX. Can handle some very high RPMs, 7,500 to 8,000 RPMs, which work great for the Coyotes. Has all the advantages of more clearance here, so you don't have that casting of what the TKO had there. Has all the electronics, the mechanical and electronic, backup light, neutral safety switch. You have the filling points here, 26 spline input, 31 spline output, multiple shift point locations. So we sell this as a whole kit or just by the transmission by itself, all available through tdmotion.com. Please subscribe. Thank you.